comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Welcome, Booba, to my wonderful magic show. Today, I'm going to show you an unusual trick with a very ordinary cup. It's completely empty, see? Now, with a little magic. Crack, snack, sack, bam, bum, boom! Watch this.
How exciting!
Pretty cool, right?
Oh, how did she do that?
Do you want to know the secret?
Oh, do tell.
Then look here. There's a small opening down here. Before the trick, I put the stars right in here. I squeeze them with my finger. See? And nothing seems to fall out. But when I flip the cup and move my finger away, they spill out. Cool, right? Do you want to try it yourself?
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Oh, wow. You look like a real wizard, Booba.
Booba does look confident. But can he do magic tricks like an actual wizard? But where are the stars?
Don't get upset, Booba. Try again.
Don't give up, Booba. Did it work this time?
Booba, is that candy? Booba, maybe there are more candies inside. Let's check it out. Unbelievable! Booba, your trick turned out really tasty. High five.
That was a great magic trick. DIY. Here comes Booba. I wonder what's inside the boxes. A xylophone? A tambourine? And a drum.
Hi, Booba. I finally found you. So, Booba, have you seen my musical instruments? Yeah, thanks. Let's see. That's not it. Not that either. The drum's not it. Booba, have you seen my maracas? You don't know what maracas are? Booba, they're these little things you shake them like this and make music with them. I have an idea. Let's make our own maracas. Come on, let's go.
What a good idea.
Wow, so many interesting things here. And here are the instructions. Booba, we have to first fill, then close, decorate, and shake. Super easy. So let's see what we need. Bottles, caps, something loose, and decorations. I'll take these two.
This will be lots of fun.
Booba, here's one just your size. Here we go. Let's take funnels, 2 different fillers, and pour them in. Now we close the bottles. Booba, look how different they sound.
A nice tune.
Uh-huh. Well, now it's your turn to make one.
You're so funny.
Booba! Booba! You're gonna make a mess like that! Wait! I know what will help you. Take the funnel. No, not like that. Like this. Now pour it in. And now the beans. That's enough. Okay, good. And check your sound. And now mine. Sounds great. Now let's decorate. Well, I think they turned out cute. Are you ready for a concert? You got something in mind? I wonder what you'll come up with now. Is that a sombrero?
You both made great maracas. Guess what? Here comes Booba.
Booba, hi! Booba, what's in the box?
Yes, what's in the box?
Can I open it? No! Do I have to guess? Then can you give me the first clue, please?
Yes, can you give us a clue?
Is it a rattle?
Is it a rattle?
Can you give me the second clue, please? Is it maracas?
Is it maracas?
Well, can you give me the last clue, please? At first I thought it was a rattle. Then I thought it was maracas. Is it a tambourine? Can we open the box now? Hooray! I guessed it! It's a tambourine!
It is a tambourine.
We're such a great team! It's so much fun!
That was a lot of fun. Until next time, my friends.